This is just going to be a quick video on using some Swellegant. This is the brass metal coating, and be sure to shake it up pretty vigorously because it is a metal coating. It does have real metal particles. You can see where I got that inside. So I'm just going to take a bit from the cap and begin to paint just the bezel part. Now the first thing you're probably thinking is, Lyn, this isn't much different than the color it already was. Well, that's true. But what will be different is we're going to add the patina here in a minute. Alright, even though this will only take a minute, I'm going to jump ahead and I'll be back when I'm done. Alright. Now we're just going to let this dry a few minutes, and then I'm going to paint on another coat, and then I'm going to add the patina while the second coat is still wet. Alright, and then I'll show you some other fun stuff. Alright, now before I add the patina, before I add the second coat and then the patina, you want to get your patina ready. And then I'm also going to add a bit, if I can get it out of the bag, a bit of the Swellegant white dioxide. This is called milky white. The dioxides are formulated to react with the metal coatings along with the patina. Alright, so they give you a really, really interesting effect. Alright, so I've just got a piece of a piece of sea sponge, a piece of artist sponge. And Christie sells these on the same site with the Swellegant. Alright, so I'm actually going to go ahead and get these open. And ready. Alright? Because the quicker you can add them while the product is still wet, the better. And don't really piddle when you're adding the second coat, because it does dry fairly quickly. But of course, being the second coat, you don't have to be as exact. And I'm going to apologize right away if my husband walks in when I'm still filming, because he just pulled up. And the dog is going to scratch as well. Alright, so I'm just going to pour a little bit out on my sponge. And the same thing with the white. Alright. Okay. Now I'll just need to let it set so that it starts to react and give it a nice bloom. And then I'll be back to show it to you. Okay, here it has started to bloom. You can see the rich green color of the patina as it blooms. Now, it will bloom on your hands as well, but it will come off with a little soap and water, so not to worry. If at any point you decide you want the blooming to stop right where it is, just put the piece in water and that will stop the reaction, but it won't affect the patina that's already bloomed. Alright. Okay, here it is. The patina has really started to bloom. You can see a little bit of the white. I may go back and add a little bit more. It just adds that white crust appearance that you want with a patina. Alright, it really does take away from the look I was trying to get away from, where the bezel matched the gold a little too much. Alright, now it makes the stone really pop out a little better. Alright, I'll take it back to the buffing wheel and do just a little touch up where I got a little bit of the patina won't necessarily mess up the finish of the stone, but the white dioxide will kind of stain the stone if you don't wipe it off immediately. Alright, so there's just a few quick tips and a demonstration of how to use the Swellegant. Alright, that's about it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.